Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide cash on delivery when any discount is applied. Like cash on delivery is a good payment method for all. If we have some discounts applied and people are getting cash on delivery, for some stores, it will not be that much easy. And if they already returned, there will be so many returns. So, for solving this particular issue, so you can have this next advanced cash on delivery app. This app will be able to hide cash on delivery when any discount is applied. So you can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you can go to the app and you can select this limit cash on delivery section. Click on this configure, enable the global rule, and first step is select your cash on delivery payment method. This is an optional step if you already have any cash on delivery fees which is linked to the cash on delivery payment method. You can select those shipping method also, right? So I didn't have any fees, so I'm just skipping this optional step. In the next section is we have different section with you can have cash on delivery rules. So in this video, we talk about discounts. So we talk about this restrict based on discount. So we are enabling this one and we select the type hide COD when any discount, right? Then you can save the changes. And you can see we have some discounts available. So I'm just taking this discount code. I'm going to our online store and we need it should be above 2500, then only this discount code will be working. Now if you check, cash on delivery is available, and if I apply this discount code, you can see cash on delivery is hidden, right? And if I remove the discount code, any discount code, so cash on delivery is still there. So we'll also try with another discount code. So this is another discount code. We are applying it, cash on delivery is hidden, and we are removing it, cash on delivery is there. It will also works with this automatic discount also. We just try with discount code. It will work with automatic or discount codes, both of them. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.